When you get move, I prophesy. When you get move, you are in the back. By the time they realize, the grace of God will put you in front. The grace of God will put you ahead. I am the Ruto Musa. No one will say move by a train. No one can party by a miner. I am prophet to the master of the long move. But you super big. Oh Musa. Oh Musa Pamili. Ati. I think David, he lifted me up from the deep mind clay, and he planted my